Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to have voice chat on Roblox without an ID. So first of all, you have to click on this three dot over here and you have to go to in settings. Now you have to go to in privacy, and now you have to check whether you have microphone is present in your privacy or not. So you can see that using microphone you can chat with voice. So make sure if you get this option microphone, then you just need to enable it. But if you haven't, it means you haven't verified your number. So as per Roblox, if you are a 13 plus, you just need to verify your number from account info to verify just verify your account. So once you verify your number using your one-time password, you will get automatically the voice chat option here in the privacy. And once you enable the microphone or the voice chat from the privacy, you just need to go enter into any game that supports microphone as communication. Let's open this game. And once you enter into the game, guys, you can see that I got this microphone over of the side after enabling the mic from the privacy. Just tap on it to get voice chat, and as you can see, it's been enabled. That's how you can uh, have voice chat on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.